Hey guys, I'm Ashley from Cruising on a Budget. Today I wanted to make a video for you guys showing exactly what I pack for a 7-day cruise. On Friday, my son and I are flying from Philadelphia to Orlando, and then we're staying at a hotel and boarding Carnival Mardi Gras Saturday morning. So I did not want to check any bags. So I'm flying with American Airlines and Frontier. So we are only bringing 2 carry-on bags and 2 personal bags. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I'm packing. I'm going to show you what I put in each bag, as well as what I put in each personal bag. So if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Please subscribe if this video helped you. And I will have more videos for you guys later in the week. Thanks! So I'm going to share with you guys how I get all of this into these 2 suitcases and personal bags. So here I have 5 pairs of shorts. I have a nightgown, gym clothes, I have 4 tank tops and 4 t-shirts. I have 2 swim suits and a cover. And then I have quite a few dresses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dresses. So that's all my clothes. And then we have Kyle's clothes. He has 1, 2, 3. He has 5 regular t-shirts and 2 dress shirts and 7 pairs of shorts, one of which being khakis. Socks, underwear, his bathing suit, his underwear. And then we have shoes. So I have sandals, dress shoes, slides. He has slides. He has swim shoes. He's going to wear Crocs getting on the plane. I'm probably going to wear sneakers so that I can use those when I go to the gym. And then we have a whole bunch of random stuff. So I have a whole bunch of ducks here that I'm going to hide. Medicine, deodorant, Q-tips, more medicine, because you never know, Lysol wipes are in there, feminine products just in case, toiletries. I was going to go to Walmart and grab these when I got there so I could get full-size bottles. I just didn't feel like it, so I just got it now. I got some wipes, just in case. My son's inhaler, which I'm going to keep in his personal bag for the plane, just in case. I've got a hat. This is a bag I use for every cruise I go on. It's a crossbody bag. It's small. I can slide my phone and my lanyard in there, some cash if I need it. I love it. It's great. I use it only for cruising. I have some stuff for the glow party, waterproof phone case, and then we have a whole bunch of random stuff. Here's like my birth certificate info, paperwork, one of these just in case. I can blow it up when we get to where we're going. I do love these magnetic hooks. This is the really only cruising essential off those lists that are posted everywhere that I really use. These are great. They're really cheap. They're really helpful. I love them. I have sunglasses for me and Kyle. I have our lanyards. They're kind of tangled together, but I'll untangle them. I have some jewelry for myself, gum for the plane, DIY duck tags, my son's hair pick, a full bottle of Tylenol just in case. And I think I've told you guys before that I don't get my nails done before I cruise. I buy glue-on nails and I can change them out while I'm cruising. So that's what I did. I like long nails a lot, so I got these 3 pairs. These are really cool. They're like, I don't know, see-through kind of. I have a first aid kit and just an extra one. I think I got this for $1 at Dollar Tree. I figured, why not? A razor in a bag. It's only one, so it's, you know, good for a week. Packers. This is for my son for when we go to the beach. Q-tips, more Q-tips. I gotta consolidate those. I have a few things of makeup, nothing serious. Some hair ties are in here. And then this stuff is for the morning we wake up in the hotel before we board the ship. So I just wanted to be fun. I got some Mardi Gras beads. I got some fun headbands. And then my son and I both had shirts made. From Alyssa. Thank you, Alyssa. These are great shirts. So yeah, now I'm gonna stop talking finally. Woohoo. And I'm gonna put all this stuff. Oh, I think I forgot to tell you guys about this. This is just door deco. And I did forget something back here as well. Don't laugh. But I am packing a tray. It makes life so much easier when you have a child and it's super busy on Lido at lunchtime and you want to get drinks and food and the kid just needs to sit down, you can grab it. And then I have a shirt that gets wrinkly very easily, so I did wrap it. And then I got these for my cabin door. They're magnetic. They have my kids' names on them. Cruising on a budget. So that's just for the door. So now you're gonna see me put all of this stuff in my suitcases. 2 carry-on sizes, good for Frontier. 2 personal bags, also good for Frontier. So now I'm gonna load them up. So now I'm gonna pack my carry-on. This one is mine. This one's gonna be Kyle's. first thing I'm going to do is slip our boarding passes, birth certificates, all that good stuff in this little pouch right here. I'm also going to add a pack of gum and zip that up. So to the bottom of the line, I'm going to add the ducks on one side, my shoes on another, our outfits for getting on the ship, my hat, these awesome earrings that say Mardi Gras that Alyssa made me, and these, just because. And that's it. I still have lots of room to work with. This is not overly packed. I can move it around and flatten it if I need to. Everything fits well. Now let's pack Kyle's bag. His suitcase has 4 wheels on it, so his is much easier to move. So his stuff is going to be just a tad heavier than mine. So I've got our personal items in here. Meds, toiletries, more toiletries. And Kyle is asthmatic, so he needs an inhaler. So that will also be in there. Gonna add our wipes. My bag, I put our lanyards and sunglasses in here. The glow sticks are gonna go in here. And just a few more random things. Zip that one up. And as you can see, we're still not full. I still could add way more in here. Flatten this out to fit. Plenty of room still. So the cool part about these carry-on bags is they have this front pouch here, which also has a zipper on it, but it literally, let me turn this around, you just slide it on like this. And it's on there. It's secure. Can't go nowhere. Really easy for a kid to push and pull. I feel like Kyle will have no problems moving this. And this is his carry-on and personal bags. We didn't pay anything for this for American Airlines. I am taking Frontier home, so I had to pay for the carry-on on the bottom, which I already paid for, but this is still free. Make sure you utilize the space allowed for these. So here are both bags, fully done. As you can see, this one's in there too with the strap. My paperwork, the gum is in there, easy to grab. Probably slip my phone in there if I'm not wearing pants with pockets. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.